special place. We're at the beach. Yeah. Man, the beach is good. People swimming, having a good time. Huh? Yeah, we can go that way. Yeah, go that way and down. Yeah, you want to go down this way? Oh, you want to walk on the beach? Okay. Come on. We're going to take you home. We're going to push you back. We're going to put you in the water. It's a good day to swim. Yeah, this is nice. Beautiful day. Just watch the sand in your shoes. Because it's bad. Yeah, we're here at the beach. Nah, I can't do it. Not today. Yeah, this beach. It's not windy today. People all over. Yeah, it's good tide beach. Okay, let's walk. We're walking. And we're going up here on the sidewalk. Yep, we're walking, carrying camera. Yeah, we can go up. And we're going up the walkway. Too short. Strong day. Yep. Let's go around this way. Yeah, people on the beach having a good time today. Have a party. Yeah, we can.
Yeah, you can.
You want to go? Yeah, we're going up in the tower. That way we can get a bird's eye view of everything, you know? Yeah. And we go up here and see. Yeah, we can see beach houses. Yeah, you can see people having fun at the beach, swimming, having a good time. Surfboard. But like you're gonna take a surfboard out. It's blowing, you know. My hair is blowing. Yep, it's blowing here. So we can get over here. Yeah. My hair is already blowing. Yeah. High tide. Yep. That's good. Lifeguards, different animals. Yeah, we have a couple of people surfing out there. Yeah, trying to get some surfing people. They give surf lessons and everything here. I'll show you the prices, the signs over yonder when we go up that way. So I can show you. Yep. A lot of people surfing today. It's good. This way a little bit. You can see the bridges. I'll give you the prices on the beach houses, you know. surfing prices, different things. We're walking on the beach here. Yeah, it'd be nice to get one of these beach houses one day. Yeah. That's where I'd love to live out here on the beach. Yeah, it'd be right here at the coastline. Wake up every morning and see this beach. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a living. Of course, the subdivision's fine, but you know, I like the beach. Good. I like the beach. Honured. Yeah, that's me. Yeah, nice beach houses here. Yeah, people enjoying, having a good time. Yeah, it's wonderful. It's a beautiful day on the beach. Day after Christmas. Yep. Please, there's a smart beach house. They have surfboards. Yeah, this is a smart beach house. Smart beach house you can rent on the beach. Yep. They have surfboards, different things. Beautiful beach today. Sun is shining, not a cloud in the sky. Well, rain clouds, that is. And a beautiful mountain. They have a restaurant here. Yeah, it's nice. They have picnics out here. People walking on beach. Filming, taking selfies. So this kind of heavy. People sitting around, having good time. Yeah. Have surfboards. We're filming this to upload the town. Yeah. There's a tricycle. There's people sitting around having a good time. Yeah, these people are not timid. They just want you to talk to them. You're just standing around having a good time, just like us. Well, nice places over yonder. We'll go over yonder in a minute. Yeah, it's a nice place. That's a building permit. Yeah, they're working construction today. Building something, I don't know. Probably another hotel, condo. Yeah, one day I'll ride one of those. Yeah, ride surfboard. Yeah, it'll be fun. Yep.
the Baler surfboard, so we're gonna take a selfie here for you. Okay.
This way. Yep. And got my mom behind me. Let me turn this camera around. You see my picture enough. You know what I look like. Let me turn this over. You need to see the sights here. Why do they want to do what?
Have a swim.
Well, you know, most people don't like the beach, so they go in the pool. That's a resort. All resorts have a swimming pool.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, it's kind of crazy to have a swimming pool here at the beach, but you
They feel safe there because they know nothing in there.
yeah, you have a swimming pool. Yeah, swimming pool's nice. I don't know the name of this place. I don't see a name. Yeah, it's a nice place. Swimming pool. Yep. Beach resort. I don't know the name of this place because they're on that street on the other side. Yeah, it's right across from the beach here. Yep. You can have a swimming pool, you know. Yeah, it's a beach resort.
we stopped in Baler View, this hotel restaurant. We always eat here when we go to the beach. You can see the beach here. And we're ordering food and everything. Coming. We're sitting here waiting. Got a nice breeze and everything. We'll catch you in a few minutes.
Yeah, we got food. We'll show you what we got. Got a big tall hamburger. Yep. I have spaghetti. Yep. I have some of the hamburger. Okay. Spaghetti. I have seafood spaghetti here. Mom got hamburger. Grandma got food. We got banana shake. She has banana shake. That's what I got. And Mom got coffee, as usual. All right, we're gonna eat our food now. Catch you in a minute.
Hi.
I know, coming up. High tide.
Yeah, the water's good.
It's good. And we're doing some walking. And I see some buildings. Hey, you get fresh fruit shake. Here's a dog. Hey, buddy. Taking it easy. That's good. Yeah, filming my video. She's a good old girl. She's asleep. Yeah. We're taking pictures. You'll be in video. Be on YouTube. Yeah. She don't understand. Yeah, it's a good place to get a shake. Yeah, eerie place. Yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's going down through here. Yeah, got some people coming, surfing. The boy playing in the sand. I believe he wants to be dirty. I don't know. I believe he just wants to get dirty. Yeah, he's wobbling in the sand. Now he's gonna go wash off. Now he want to wash. Yeah, he's going to wash off now. He got dirty in the sand. Yeah. There you go, running off. Yeah. That's what he did. He got all dirty and then went out there and washed. Yeah, he got all washed up. Hey, water coming in. Yeah, high tide water. Beach. High tide. Surfers out here. Good. Grandma's over here, she's doing her pictures. And my hair is messed up in the breeze because it was blowing. Probably so.